That too big? AI avatar automation. Oh my. Let's get ready for a good live stream. We're going to have a great live stream. I have. We want to perfect this app enough to clone someone. Pretty much. So, this is going to be very fun. Ooh, okay. Chico Jimmy, what's up? So we're going to be fixing the voice automation for this. Just kind of shrink him in. Just kind of stretching that out. What's up, Ricky Chase? What's up, Jeremiah? Good to see each and every one of you. Doing some AI avatar content automation. So we're just refining him. We're going to be upgrading him so that I'm a data scientist and a machine learning developer. Welcome. We're going to be talking about AI avatars. What about you? Nice to meet you, Jeremiah. I'm an AI consultant. I help people automate so that they can save time, especially automating their content. With what we're going to do today is more with automation with the digital avatar. So we're going to create a digital avatar that looks exactly like me.
50, 60, 80, and how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? You're not busy because you have too much work. You're busy doing work manually that should be automated. Last week, a client showed me his schedule: 15 hours creating content, 8 hours on client emails, 6 hours building presentations. We automated all of it. Now he works 20 hours less per week. Same revenue, better quality, actual weekends. The difference isn't working harder. It's having infrastructure that works while you don't. Want to see how? Comment time and I'll send you the exact automation roadmap that bought him back 20 hours per week.
Nice. So that's one AI. We're going to be upgrading him hopefully tonight. Hopefully we don't break some things. So now, I think we could just restart this one. I'm just thinking, yeah, let's just restart this. Okay, so this piece of content will get generated. I think I have some stuff for content. Cool. So that's it. Right now it's in the oven and it's getting to now get produced. What's up, David? So from here, now he's just going through the process. Should be actually processing everything. Pending. What are you pending? What's up, Coder Dude David? Good to see you. Welcome, everyone. We're kind of creating a AI avatar. I gotta put my AI avatar to work. Make this guy put him to work. Article scraped. Let's see. I don't need this. For him, just check the server and check to see that did he generate new? I don't think this is new.
Imagine your AI knowing your tire size just from. What if your AI could actually remember your life? Google just announced Gemini's personal intelligence, and it's a total game changer. Imagine your AI knowing.
I don't know if that's the old one. Article saved. Okay, so now he's going through. Now he's working through it. At least he should be. Starting full auto process for one item. Nice. Okay, now he's working. It's like the Terminator. It's like the Terminator is alive. It is working. Wahaha. So right now we're just going through the process of just publishing or producing a piece of content with a talking head avatar that looks like me. We're going to be upgrading him, upgrading the voice, and then seeing if tonight, we'll see, we can do it for someone else. That would be very interesting. Because no one wants to create content in 2026. They want their AI avatar to get on camera, produce content for them. Can't blame them. Do we now have the technology? It now exists. Alright, there's HeyGen. Nice. So now he's doing the avatar, which means he's probably already generated the voice.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Google just announced Gemini's personal intelligence, and it's a total game changer. Imagine your AI knowing your tire size just from your photos or remembering that important.
Can you check record 58? Is the voice the new voice, or is that an old voice record? I need to talk to my software developer. By the way, we don't need this file. We don't need. Delete. Remove the trash. David, thank you for that post in the community about trusted developers on VS Code. Very helpful, so thank you. That's going to save someone. I'm just kind of deleting things. Okay, let's check, and he's like, okay, set you back to scripted. And now he's gonna hopefully generate some new captions. What's up, smart moms? Good to see you. Hope you're having a blessed day. Hope you're, oh my. Absolutely. Saw it on LinkedIn and looked into it. Oh, that was a great find. The community helps and support each other, which is great. Captions are done. He must be generating the voice. This is a custom app technique that is custom vibe coded using VS Code and Claude Code. Claude is doing all of the work. And we get this really cool app that's completely vibe coded, that completely automates and creates talking head content like this.
How many hours did you work last week? 50, 60, 80? And how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? You're not busy because you have too much work. You're busy doing work manually that should be automated. Last week, a client showed me his schedule: 15 hours creating content, 8 hours on client emails, 6 hours building presentations. We automated all of it. Now he works 20 hours less per week. Same
Crazy,
revenue,
huh?
better quality, actual weekends. The difference isn't working harder. It's having infrastructure that works while you don't.
Crazy. So this is just one format. So you pipe in an idea, 10 minutes later, it pumps out a piece of content and only costs like $1.69 to create a piece of content, which is nothing sauce. Nothing sauce. So now we're just kind of going through. I really want the. Thank you, Smart Moms, for the rose. I appreciate that. Right now we're just going through and just. I really want to focus on and improve two things right now. I want to improve the voice. I want to improve the likeness with a new, updated, detailed avatar, and then we're going to see if we clone someone, a potential client. I have a potential client. Can you teach me? Join the community. We just finished teaching how to vibe code today too. What today was a dope course. How to vibe code a custom map. Today worth it. Can I explain what's going on? I'm new to the stream. Welcome everyone. I'm Dr. AI. I vibe coded a content automation app that no need to learn NaN, completely irrelevant to learn NaN for any type of automation. This thing will pump out. You pipe in an idea and out comes a piece of video.
How many hours did you work last week?
Looks like this.
50, 60, 80? And how many of those hours were spent on tasks AI could have done in 10 minutes? You're not.
So this is just Claude and VS Code. You could use Cursor, but I prefer, I mean, it really doesn't matter. You could totally use Cursor for this. But VS Code and Claude, like, so great. So today we're just kind of, I'm improving the voice, basically. And so move status to also, when I change the status, I would like it to also have it start the auto process if its status has been changed in any status thing. So if any status has been changed, to go and redo it back, it not only moves it back, but also it starts the queue to run it as well too. I want to make sure, because I want to make sure it doesn't require me to manually run it. Oh, I'm actually open for job opportunities though. Very nice, Jeremiah. What about anti-gravity, or is Claude and VS Code better? Claude and VS Code is the GOAT. Is the GOAT. There's no, I completely uninstalled anti-gravity because I'm having so much fun. I got to this on Claude. I couldn't get to this on VS Code, on anti-gravity. So that's the main thing. Pleasure to meet you. That's Lem. Nice. Great questions, everyone. So this is vibe coding just to show what's possible, basically. I am not a software developer in any way. And so you can see I didn't write a single line of code, and it's doing all of it. So right now, Claude is doing all the coding. I'm not writing a single line of code. I'm just relaxing with you guys. My hands are free. Coding is so hard. I forgot a semicolon. And this is actually built all with Python. This is Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I think that's it. Just Python. Yeah, just Python. There's nothing fancy with it. I think we built our first RAG today from today's Board of Advisors. So today we had a workshop where we took members, and using VS Code, we built a Board of Advisors so that you can ask a question to a ChatGPT-like interface, and it will take the question and send it to 4 different large language models, and then they will consolidate and give you an answer. So it's a way for you to vibe code, get into APIs. That book, I highly recommend that PDF workbook that we gave out today. That is the best workbook I've ever created, and I'm not going to take credit for it. Claude wrote that whole workbook, so it helps to sometimes transcend from GenSpark creating documents. Sometimes Claude can actually do really good on documents. And then it's one click button to like Google Docs, for example. Jimio, what's up, Jay? I'm gonna call you. Which AI? are you using? This is just Claude Code for vibe coding. He's a coding agent, so he's writing all the agents. So right now, cool, he's just updating. Nice. So right now he's going through. So NAN, I know, NAN is completely worthless to learn outside of complex tasks or outside of simple tasks. Let's say, I'm saying it's not useless to learn for very simple tasks. I'm talking 5 nodes, 1 logic tree, no branches, just one AI agent maybe. Like basically, you don't want to pay Zapier cost. Basically. Now, I am not building anything. This whole thing trumps NAN. Because what do you have to do in NAN? You got to go find the node. You got to go fill out the form. You got to debug it. I'm talking to you guys, and I just vibe coded a new feature right now, an auto feature right now. So it auto replays without my intervention. So like I have an auto mode, so it goes through the entire logic tree. No different. It's no code, NAN, code. Code will always trump no code. So, and you don't have to be, I've written no code. I could not tell you a single line what's underneath the hood. So now, what he should be doing.
Surprised, what if your AI assistant actually knew you? Curious. Today, Gemini just launched something called Personal Intelligence, and it's going to change everything.
Speed up the voice 20%.
Answers. Imagine an AI that pulls.
So, and then, no, they said he was talking too fast, so I slowed him down a lot. Also, you messed up a lot of the prompt. Also, you messed up the prompt too, because now he's getting asterisks too. So you can go back and then we can tweak, especially the voice, because what I had was a lot better. So go back to the original settings for the voice and then give me the parameters I could tweak for what it is right now. Oh yeah, take the speed back to, make the speed for 1.2. Speed is 1.2. Temperature is 0.9. From latency, make that normal. Don't strip emotions, add emotions. Keep that true. Yeah, if you could also use higher quality audio generation, that's okay too. Keep the motion markers. Okay, so go back and make those changes and then we'll rerun it. Okay, so I need to go fish audio. No, I'm at the asterisk. Yeah. Fish.audio. Gonna lag in a second. I'll let you look at him while I'm distracting you. Because I need to log into Fish Audio right now. Hey, do you know any free courses which teaches everything from scratch? Yes, go to my YouTube channel. I have a YouTube playlist where I teach everything from scratch. I know, crazy, right? I'll just join. What platform are you using? This is HeyGen, Claude, everything combined. Okay, now. Okay, we need to improve my voice here.
Hey guys, check this out. Okay guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today, literally just playing with these new. Okay guys, so check this.
Okay, this is my voice. And we need to play with the audio. Okay, I'm gonna tweak. We're gonna get super nerdy here. I will do this. Okay, speed is 1.3, I think. 1.3. Temperature is 0.9. Oh, temperature 0.9. Okay, temperature is 0.9. Top is 0.9. Advanced settings, premium, high quality mode. And then we have S1, most expressive, emotion support, and stable. So let's hear this. Let's listen. Which one sounds more like me?
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS Code extension to show you. Hit that follow button if you're new here. We're all about sharing knowledge.
Okay, that's S1. Let's do S2. Or S1.6.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS Code extension to show you. Hit that follow button if you're new here. We're all about sharing knowledge.
Sounds very boring, but I think it's because you could do emotions. So
Excited.
first, you're right. Yeah.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS Code extension to show you.
We're even going to compare 11 Labs. Like, I don't care where can I get the most realistic voice, basically. This is 1.5. This is their third option. Option number 3.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today.
I'm annoyed.
Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got
I'm
this
already like the
awesome
first
VS
one.
Code extension to show you.
Yeah, this one is it. And then that's pretty good for speed. Let me just double check this one. 1.3 regenerate. So this was the winner.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got
decent.
this awesome VS Code extension to show you. Hit that follow button if you're new.
That's decent. Okay, so let's give this to Claude. Claude. Now, oh, it's gonna lag. Sorry. 1 second. We're gonna compare. Okay, give us a second for lagging. Okay. Welcome to 11 Labs. 11 Labs also clones your voice. Let's compare 11 Labs versus fish.audio. So I think I have my voice already cloned in here. Pretty sure. If we go voices, my voices. Which ones are mine? Jonathan. We have 3 voices. Ooh. Okay, let's try these out. So,
Through space, we explore the limits of possibility. Through space, we explore the limits of possibility. Mountains stand strong and tall while clouds dance freely. Mountains stand strong and tall while clouds dance freely. Through space, we explore the limits of possibility.
better. Oh no, this, whatever this guy is, gone. Off with his head. Okay.
Love grows when we share smiles and joyful moments. Through space, we explore the limits of possibility. Love grows when we share smiles and joyful moments.
How do we use this? That's not bad. Text to speech. Let me grab fish audio. It's a fish audio is better. Oh, this is helping. This is helping. This is so you guys also know too. There is another one like Minimax, but we'll see. Ooh, he's done. He's done doing something. Okay, so let's go with their 11 Labs 3 Alpha. Sure, whatever. We have credits. I have a ton of credits in here. Okay. Wait, no, show me. Okay. 11 Labs, they have 2 voices. Option number 1.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts, and like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS.
That doesn't sound like me.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new
Better. Let's do the professional voice.
prompts. And like while we're waiting for the model.
Okay, we're gonna generate. This is version 2. This is
Okay,
like
guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today. Literally just playing with these new prompts. And like while we're waiting for the model to load, I got this awesome VS Code extension to show you. Hit that.
no.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're gonna do some cool AI stuff today.
Fish audio is the best. This is it. Let's see. Regenerate. Last one.
Okay, guys, so check this out. We're going to do some cool AI stuff today, literally just playing with these new prompts. And like while we're waiting for the model to
Right.
load, I got this awesome VS Code extension.
I got this awesome VS Code extension today. Kinda. Yep. Okay. I wonder if we could like tweak it a little, but cool. Good enough. Okay, so that's gonna fix that. He's going to continue. Okay. Now the next thing is we're gonna test it out, and then I want to do another avatar for HeyGen version 4. What's the best way? Should I just give you a public URL, or do I need to go and train the model? What would be easier? Can I just give you a URL of a 16:9, and then you could use that for HeyGen version 4, and then will that be easier, or do you need the ID? And I need to upload and train it. Okay, so he's updated that. Also, FYI, or just whatever. Let him talk. How do you take the green line around the avatar off? It's not perfect green screen though. That's the thing. We'll also talk to him. Also, let's do this. Also, what's a better way to do the green screen? Can I give you like a PNG with the background already removed? That way you don't have to do chroma. Will that work a lot better? And then in what file format, like PNG? Will that work as well too? So he says I could just give it a photo. Good face, 16:9. We'll just pass it. Okay, in that case, I want you to update the code on the settings for me to insert. We'll do photo URLs going forward. Keep mine as the ID, but if people want to add new ones in the future, they have to host it on a public photo, and then we use that, and then I can add that to it. What does he say? PNG with transparency works as an input, but output from HeyGen is an MP4, which doesn't support transparency. So even if you give transparency, HeyGen will still fill it with a solid color, black or white. So you still need a chroma key to remove it. green screen, chroma removes it. Well, okay, maybe. Also, keep brainstorming with me. What if it may be because shot stack? I don't know if we just need to improve the chroma key from shot stack on how it's doing, because we still have an edge around the avatar and we want it super clean. So do we have to upload it to like maybe FFmpeg or something to do like removal before or something else? Like, what would be the best way? Insightful duets, just follow. Thank you everyone for the follow. Welcome. Now we're kind of like really optimized. One, I want photos, which is going to help. That way we don't have to do the HeyGen and train and wait and deal with that nonsense. No, we could just update with a URL in the background. Then we need to improve the chroma key. We're using shot stack, which is okay. There probably is a better way, maybe. We'll see. We have our AI developer on the scene doing dev work right now. In the meanwhile, I'd love to know, yes or no, are you guys vibe coding? And if so, what are you vibe coding? I want to know. What projects are you vibe coding? See, add the photo. Okay, so now he's just updating. He's doing a little research. Oh, of course, John. I know. David's like, this is just a late night podcast. Late night while the kids are distracted watching TV. The parents, the grown-ups, are vibe coding. I feel like that's probably the trend. Most of the adults like are vibe coding right now. Insightful Delight says, you just inspired me to vibe code. Please do. Go to Google AI Studio and just start playing there. Like, don't do Claude just yet. Save after. Go to Google AI Studio and go vibe code there. You'll have a great time. Super fast and easy. Have some powerful tools. Then when you're ready to like, all right, take it next farther, then jump on the Claude Code, because it is addicting. Like, I am up till like 1 a.m. coding. But on the other side, I'm building an app that right now, you would not believe how many people want this app. They want a content automation machine, even to sell it as clients. So it's an interesting thing where it's like, people want this app. They want a content automation app because they don't, most people just don't, professionals don't have time to create content. Let's put it that way. So professionals need a way to post content without them having to get on camera, because I know every social media manager is looking at their client and pissed off because their client hasn't sent them the video files for the videos that they asked for a week ago because the client doesn't want to deal with the camera. Client doesn't want to get on camera. You don't have to anymore. Isn't that great? So I want to fine tune it, and then once we optimize this, then I want to do some demos. Definitely upgrading it for me, which will be amazing. You want to see an absolute stellar web design done by AI? Took 2 AIs and many iterations. Oh, that's dangerous. Could pop it in. Yeah, things are getting really crazy in the AI world. Really, really interesting. I mean, the models are getting better, which is super dope. Like, done. Here's everything I updated. Chroma key threshold has been added, more aggressive. Okay. Halo, more edge softening. Unfortunately, stock only has 3 parameters. No spill suppression for really clean edges. The source photo quality matters the most. Okay, fine. I'll give you more quality. photo URL in the settings page. We now have a new photo URL. Nice. Legacy avatar is hidden and collapsible. Just pasting a URL for avatar. Perfect. We're going to test that. I have an avatar we're going to test that with. And then back end, we now accept just into photo ID, and it all detects if the photo URL exists. Perfect. How to use for demos. Okay, cool. Let's test this puppy out. Okay, thank you, Fish. Thank you, 11 Labs. Thank you, Avatar. Close. Refresh. Command Shift R. Hard refresh. Looking good. We could. How much is this?
Surprise, what if your AI assistant actually asked your...
Okay, we got to remake that. It's like, get it out, John. Come on. Let's go all the way to process scripted. Go back to processed. Send him to the back of the line. So now, there he goes. Claude and ChatGPT overlords, just the coming soon. I'll DM. Yeah, you can just DM me, and then I can take a look. Avatar is processing. Did you like do a whole new script, buddy, or? Oh shoot! Wait. Hold on. I need a new avatar. Hold on. I'll do Hostinger. Then Google AI Studio. Okay, Google Studio. Let's actually go to history. Have a much better, higher quality image. Okay. We're going to just generate a new image. Upload a new headshot. We're going to get the original prompt. I want to see him in a natural pose. I also want to see him zoomed out so I can see his entire shoulders and below. This is as if he's talking to a camera, high quality, professional photo shoot, and needs to be in a 9:16 format. Hello, Alyssa. Hope you're having a blessed day. Good morning. Good morning. What time is it? Good morning. You're around the world. I'm like, good morning. You're on the other side of the world. We global. We vibe coding global. Right now we are creating a new headshot of myself using Nano Banana Pro. If you guys want to know how to create avatars, this is how you create the avatars. Nano Banana Pro. Secret's out. Oh, I give away the secret. Oh my gosh, I gave away the secret. How do I clone myself? Now, of course, there's levels to make it like perfect the way you want it. We're gonna see. We just need clean 16:9. Okay, cool. But we need him zoomed out so I can see his entire shoulders and hands. So remember, I want to see the edges around his shoulders. I want to see like his hands in front of him in a very calm pose. Almost do it like he's holding a mic. Pretend like he's holding a small mic. He actually, and he's like talking that into it, and we want to see like his half shot to the waist. I want to see around his edge, like he can't be cropped, like his arms can't be cropped. And then let's add wasn't the chroma key had a specific what's the hex color for the chroma key? Color thresholds. I think that's the color right there. Standard, pure green, light green. Standard green. That's it. That's it. Okay, cool. Standard green. Otherwise, working on my Claude agents to work with my local AI agents, Claude, and my other agents. Very nice. Very nice. If you want to automate your content, automate everything. Automate with AI agents. Okay, can we... Oh, I need to do manual, that's why. So let's turn off auto. I made my auto button too powerful. Too powerful. Oops, there we go. There we go. I had another window open. Okay, now we're ready for that. Let's take a look at here. Okay. Zoomed out just a little more so we can see his whole arms, and then calm, confident smile. Come on, just a little tweak, just a little tweak. Just do this little tweak. Come on, almost there. Bless me. This is your news correspondent, Juan Acuna. I should put me in a light blue sweater. Are you using TikTok Studio to display your workflow to us? Yes, I am. I am on a Mac computer using TikTok Studio, and I'm also live streaming to Streamlabs. Thank you so much, David. Bless you and your whole family, and your AI, and your poor NVIDIA chip who doesn't know how much work it's about to have, or your new graphic card. Okay, so he's done. We need to... Getting close. Come on, come on. But please ask your AI questions. This is AI automation with Juan. Dr. Juan. Oh, and they both are ready to stream. Oh, I know. Probably just like melting. Just like, boom, just having to melt right now. I think... I'm going to go with it. He looks a little crooked eye, but I don't care. Canva. Custom size. Sorry, it's going to lag a little. Okay, just checking everything. Poor GPUs, they never had a chance. Let's see if this will magic expand. You think it will expand it? Magic expand? Do you think it will? I think it will. Better. Oh man, but that background. I can fix that though. I can fix that. Okay. Cancel. A little smaller. A little over. And then, you know what? Crop. Background remove. And then magic expand. It's like almost shrink him a little more. Okay, edit, magic expand. This is going to be interesting. Trying to get all my elbows so there's no cutoff. That's decent. Let's just shrink a little more. David, thank you so kindly. Our TikTok studio is on PC and Mac now. I know, isn't that wild? I'm so happy it's on PC or Mac. Oh, finally. I can live stream and show my computer, which is one of the biggest things. Hey, did you expand? Sorry, got distracted. I thought I pressed the button. I was like, press the button. It's so close. That's it right there. Perfect. Perfect. It's so tiny. Perfect. Yep, that did perfect. Excellent. Click done. Perfect. And then we do background remove. Perfect. And then we do background, position, layers, background, change the color, chroma key, hashtag. And now it's dialed perfect. Hey Jen, avatar, clone, Jonathan. Download. PNG. Hold on, what's going on there? We'll do that. That way it kind of crops them out. Okay, download PNG. Now we host it online. Rename. PNG. Okay. I'm getting the website. For this. Okay, so here /images /Jonathan PNG. Perfect. Basically, public URL where this is from. Perfect. Now, in our settings, Command Shift R, Go to settings. Add a photo of a green. Name. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna just... I added the URL and pressed the button and it didn't work. Can you put this one in there as like version 2 and just make this default for right now? And then also fix that bug. Okay, cool. So we're gonna have him. That's what I want. Ooh. He's super creepy. But I swear, I'm building my own Terminator. What is going on? What is this? I am building my own Terminator. I am building my replacement. What in China? What is this? I'm literally creating my replicate, my Frankenstein. Say the save work 200k. Okay, there we go. He's not doing that. I'm literally like let's take a moment here and just step back. But I am trying to deepfake myself. It's not accurate enough. I needed more clone, better voice, better photo. Okay, fix the detection logic. Okay, so right now he's just fixing this so that we could test it. This is vibe coding. This is just the life of what it's like to vibe code right now. We're almost... Yeah, once I tweak these two things, then they're like pretty universal. Okay, he fixed it. When you're ready to run a video, go back to voice done and test it. Okay. So, refresh. There we go. Avatar photo 2. Ah, does that stay persistent? Oh, it's persistent memory. Okay. So now we have that. We can take this piece of content, go back to voice done, voice is done, avatar, Heijen, voice is done. Oh wait, hold on. Let's go turn auto mode. Actually, no. Yeah, we don't need to. So, I'm just debating. Okay, now create the avatar. I'm addicted already to watching it. We're gonna see, this technically will be a much better looking avatar. Like much more detailed. You can see his hands. He should be shrinked in. So hopefully this will do a lot better. Voice is done. I feel like I should wait, or I thought I pressed the button. Maybe not. Okay, let's see. Can you check the log I updated with the new photo in the setting, and that's saved? But then when I'm running him manually and I click avatar, I don't get any feedback. So now, just hunting for that bug. We gotta find that bug. Bugs are good. You do want to find bugs, because once you find the bugs and you squish the bugs, your app is that much more reliable. Oh, hey Jen, bad request. Okay, cool. You know how to fix that. Also, can you build an error catch to catch that error in the future and notify user? Okay, image looks acceptable. Server reloaded. Better logging. Better. Try running the avatar steps again. I'm going to show you the HeyGen error message. Okay, so let's try it again. Refresh. Process. Okay. It should get an update. To I don't know, hold on. I'm just trying to figure out what is he. What you doing? Delete as a log. Okay, he's fixing it. Cool. Cool. This will be great. Because if this works, then we can upload any photo on the back end of any character. And the issue is that it doesn't accept the image URL, it only accepts image key. Need to upload the image. Fix. Now I will upload the photo, I get the image key and use that for the generate video. Server reloaded and go then. And then, okay. Okay. Submit. So when you press buttons and then, okay, check status. Then he has to look in the log. Ooh, 404. Okay, now the fun part where he has to figure out their whole thing. So does HeyGen have like a HeyGen GitHub? Do they have like a GitHub where they talk about HeyGen? HeyGen MCP server. Oh, they have a lot of stuff. They have some GitHub stuff where it's like, ooh. We just want to integrate. Oh, this does MCP. Get voices, get out. We don't need that many. Oh man, we hit the compacting. That's not an error. That's not bad. Doesn't matter that much. You must be doing a lot. Frozen a little bit. Oh. There we go. I was processing. I was looking at HeyGen's documentation in the background. It was pretty lagging a lot. And then we were compacting. And so he's really trying to figure out what he needs to do. Cool. Server's reloaded. He does a fix. Let me check everything. Cool. Now he's doing batch testing. He does need a framework, I've noticed. Works, Imagen, look at that. Now let me trigger HeyGen processing for it. Cool. Looks like he fixed it. Just FYI, video and audio aren't synced after this. I'll log out and log in and see if it's just me. Ooh. Claude is doing things, that's why. Claude. Let me close some tabs. Okay, hopefully. Hopefully that closes. Not too bad. Oh, the lag. I know, it's part of the lag. Okay, Claude is testing. Let me see. Looks okay. I have been researching communities. I'm a certified AI consultant, but I want to provide automations. The area I need help with is getting clients and marketing. Do you offer a 7-day trial? No, I do not. Hi Sheila, sorry I do not offer a 7-day trial. Period. But we do have courses on AI automation, especially content automation. You could join and get the template and attend classes and the courses, period. Or I offer one-on-one coaching to help you get clients. Let me know your choice. Sheila, are you in the chat? I see your Zoom chat. Nice. I have a feeling that you purchased Alicia Little's consulting. AI made simple. 47. Gotcha. Gumroad. Nice. Sheila, looks like you need AI content to automate your business. Everyone needs to automate their business. So all AI consultants will eventually come to me. Come join. I want all the AI consultants. Come hang out. I will show you. Is this anti-gravity? Thank you, David, for Melon. This is VS Code. I know it's like super small, but kind of just saying upload to 4.4. API is done. Status is done. He says it's now working. Did you what? He says it's done.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate. But what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff?
It's
That's
great,
exactly what
but it's just
Google's
returning in
Gemini
a square
just launched
format.
with
What's
personal.
up with that? It's perfect, but it just returns in a square format, not a 9x16 format. Oh, this one's really good. This is a lot better.
Intelligence. It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this. I needed new tires. Standing
This is terrifying. I was gonna try and find the terminal. I was gonna try and find a terminal or Terminator. The voice is near perfect now. The photo is near way better.
at the shop, I
Even
asked
that.
Gemini. It didn't just give me the tire size. It suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging through emails. This is the next level of AI assistance. It's not just smart, it's personal. What Google apps would you connect to make your AI smarter? Let me know in the comments.
The request went through. Let me check APH ad. If it has ratio to parameters, blah, 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 blah. He's gonna fix it. It looks really much better.
What if your
Much better. We are getting there. This is getting fancy now. Fancy. And then we did it with just a photo. We just needed to return 9x16, which would be amazing. Let me see if we could get Claude. Maybe let's get GenSpark in on this. Sorry, it's gonna lag. It's gonna lag. I want you to look at HeyGen version 4 IV API, and we have an error message where we're uploading a 9x16 photo. We have the key, but then when it outputs, we're getting it like a 1080 by 1080. We're not getting a 9x16 return. So what do we need to change in our code and API to fix that? Okay, I need to call upon the council. GenSpark, ChatGPT. Oh. But we're really close. We're really close. I know the lagging now is going to be horrible. I swear. One day we're going to fix that. Based on my research agent, virtual forward, or departure mode, API doesn't properly ask for ratio for sometimes the source image orientation matters. Looking at your photo relatively square. Let me check. Come on. Looking, the photo source should be ideally in portrait orientation, or she'll find the correct IV for a specific parameter. Okay, so now he's looking. He's like, David, very nice. I know. You guys are working on some dope stuff. Okay, we have AI. Right now we have all three AIs trying to solve this problem. Claude's thinking about it. Browser Claude's thinking about it. GenSpark's thinking about it. Someone is going to have an answer for me today. My team. I wish you could see my computer screen. I have like 5 windows open of like so much stuff. But based on Richard, I have a problem. HeyGen Richard is no or portal rendered in last save source. HeyGen support. They get a portrait orientation. That's not gonna work. HeyGen voice ID. Okay, kinda. Here's some info to help. I don't know if this is gonna help, but I don't know if that's gonna help, but I just gave him the answers from both GenSpark and that, and see if he figures it out what it is. You kind of have it right. Like, he's real close. Real close. Justice for AI. I feel sorry for AI. Sorry for AI. Why? AI's doing amazing right now. Claude is beeping and bopping. Pontificating. Oh, this is gonna get close. Come on. I don't mind if it's square. I mean, I could copy it so it's square and it will still fit. So I'm gonna get my answer, yes or no. The question is, what's the optimal, like, avatars or dimensions? I'll just do that. You have overload. Oh, I've given him so much work. I'm like, you need to hit your Claude limit every single day. If you're not hitting your Claude usage limit, you're not maxing out Claude. Max out Claude. Put this sucker to work. Like, for what he's able to build and do, like, yo, it's still 720, 720. Let me square. Okay, would it be better? Would it be better if I just give you a 720 by 720 square image, or something a little more higher resolution to guarantee square or something like 1080 by 1080, or what do you need? He did it before, but it's not the end of the world. Give me more Claude. Give me more terminals. Let Claude do more work. That's what the most time you're doing is like killing time. You're just waiting for Claude to finish. And while you're waiting for Claude, the only thing to do is spin up a new Claude and have Claude working on something else. No matter what, you're going to have two Claude projects working simultaneously. That's one of the biggest things. Is like, because once we narrow down this dimension thing, the quality of the thing goes up. We can literally put any photo in here. And that's what I really like. You can put any photo. I don't know about the easiest way to like clone the voice per se, but so got stretch. Oh, you know, what if it becomes like there's like vibe coding aerobics, because you're bored, you're vibe coding, so you're like stretch, left, and to the right, and to the left. That's it. Keep vibe coding, people. Keep those fingers flexible. Yep. Vibe coding's hard, I know. And push, and go, and push, and pull, and type, and press yes for Claude. Press yes. How do you think it would take you to? How long? It could be anywhere. Let's just say it could take anywhere from 5 to 10 tries to 20 tries to iterate it for just fixing this one thing. Oh, you're lag, but check your DMs. Nice. I'll check that out right now. Once your avatar with audio, your RAW mode is ignoring all aspects of the ratio and outputting 7:20 regardless of what you specify. Interesting. This appears to be a limitation of the audio lip sync mode. Except square avatar, switch audio overlays, and chroma key. Yeah, so it doesn't really matter. I'm going to upscale it anyways. Use portrait source mode. If you use a portrait number 16, same may output. Portrait but may not match the input. Different endpoints. So let me just do 720 by 720. Let me fix this. Hold on. Need to get a human in here. Hold on. All right. For the next 5 minutes, it's going to lag. I'm just going to resize the dimensions in Canva. If you're waiting, well, I'll open the dev one. I know. Resize. File, resize, custom. 720, perfect square, resize this design. That's what you're paying for Canva, for stuff like that. This solves perfect. I put avatar me in the middle. That looks perfect. Okay, let's download. I'm going to call him Terminator or Tom. This is Tom, my Terminator twin. That's for sure Tom, my Terminator twin. That's not me, that's Tom. so crazy. We live in a crazy world. Okay, and then I'm going to take said image. The thing that you're not seeing is I'm just putting it on my Hostinger, or just putting it on a Hostinger account. So public URL, real simple, nothing fancy. Rename. Okay. So now, let me check that link real quick. There we go. Okay. That's the new one. That's the square one. Not gonna lie, the 720 by 720 is kind of small. Is there a way I can maybe increase that ratio to get more high quality pixels? And then, will that work? I'm not doing all this work just to get 720p. Like, like I want 1080. Like, can I do like 1080 by 1080? Or does it have to be 720 by 720? I mean, it's not the end of the world. Let me run a test through it and see. We're gonna do voice is done. Okay, new avatar. See if this works. Let me try forcing 1080 by 1080 and 90 explicit direction. No. Will that work? No. But avatar's processing. I think we already got a request in before he went crazy and started doing some extra stuff. So let's try this out. So it's in the oven. Our avatar is baking. New resolution size, much smaller. 720 by 720, whatever. I think it'll still work. But what if I want a bigger... What if I want a bigger picture, though? What if I'm trying to, like... Can you guys... Can you look at the HeyGen version 4? Sorry, it's going to lag. Can you look at the HeyGen version 4 API? And I want to be able to output at least 9 by 16 lip sync with just the photo. So what do we have to change to make that happen? And if they don't support it, who does? Because I want to pay a premium to make this perfect lip sync. Is there someone better than HeyGen? Yeah, I said it. Is there someone better than HeyGen? So aggressive. I'm sorry about that. Okay, this says.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate.
That wasn't the new one, so I don't think it just processed. First, for audio mode is locked in the 720 regardless of profound errors. Let me try Talking Photo V2 endpoint, which might give you real more dimensions. Okay, what about Talking this API? Also, I'm just gonna pop that in there. I like interrupting my AI. It wastes more water and it keeps them on their toes. I'm kidding, gosh. Let's make sure there's no environmental people watching. And not sponsored. Okay. So, they're both looking. Ooh. $5 is five. That's not bad. It's way cheaper. Hold on. What do you mean? Hold on. There may be someone better than HeyGen. Also, I ran a test. Can you run a retest with the new? I ran it through Avatar. It just. Can you test again? I updated the URL. I want to see if this works. HeyGen API limit, no. Ah. So here's a service that does HeyGen called Sync. Oh. It's lagging, that's why I'm like. Wait, my API key is not on the free tier. Wait, no, my API.
If you still haven't heard about this AI tool, you need to check it out.
Oh, it's gonna lag hard. For everyone on YouTube that where it's not lagging, sorry, there's nothing we could do for TikTok. We may just stop TikTok. Basically, HeyGen is like, hey, your plan doesn't support 1080, so that's why. There's the bug. So, but the weird thing is, I'm already paying for the $99 HeyGen plan, so my API key should still be perfect. So let me check. What API key do you have? Okay, here's my account. There's all my videos. Yep, that's all there. Perfect. Yeah, it's lagging really bad. Sorry, TikTok. It's gonna like lag. YouTube's not lagging. Usage and billing HeyGen API. I'm on HeyGen Pro. No. I am on the Pro API plan. I'll try to help the red. Yeah, it's like everyone you guys gotta abandon and come hang out on red. Unfortunately. Hey, you're on ta-da-da, we're saving. Yeah, give me the 1080. Like, what is this BS of 720? What is it, 1990? Like, I'm not cloning myself in 720. Get out of here. This nonsense. Give me 1080 by 1080. I could work with that. So give me what I want. Gosh, we've only used 70. We haven't used any credits in this. Every video, like 44 seconds on HeyGen, is like 0.2 credits, which is like nothing. Oh, we started paying more. Now it's 4 credits. Why? Before, we were doing pretty good with avatar video. Man, they really don't give you much details on the log. Okay, so he's like that one person that jumped. Welcome to YouTube. Hopefully it's not lagging. If it's not lagging on YouTube, let me know. Sorry. I need all resources to train. I need to get this app done. Like, that's basically what it is. So, it is, if it sacrifices some live streams, yeah, it just kills all the audience. That sucks. It's gonna, all this is working towards getting a better computer so I can get you guys a better experience. Trust. Okay. So that you're in on Pro plan? That doesn't make sense. So they don't give you 1080? Confirm this. Okay, hold on. I may have to, like... Okay, try this. Does this help? I want 1080. What am I paying for? I was like, what do I like? Give me 1080 face clone, and if not, I will. Native just like portion, build cheaper than HeyGen's, excellent lip sync on par with HeyGen, simple API, fast. I could do that, and it's cheaper, aka premium. What is like the best for enterprise? It's expensive, they say. Compared to what? Compared to... I want really high quality, like 1080. I want to be able to do 9x16. And so, like, what are the top 3 that you recommend? I think we may rip out HeyGen tonight. Hey, Mikhail. This is Coder Dude, David Mikhail. Of course it's Mikhail. I was like, Mikhail, that sounds familiar. Really no yeah. It's like that's been something that's HeyGen or Claude's been fumbling for some time of like trying to get it to do 1080 output and vertical. Like you could do it through the app, but I don't want to do it through the app. Like I want full API or else it just doesn't work for me. So I don't care about budget. I care more about quality. Alright, let's go through. I dug into your API. I just right to HeyGen API. I want. Okay, so he's still thinking too. Sorry. I have GenSpark just kind of conversing right now. And I think it may be DID. They're cheaper, excellent quality. A-Cool is the premium. Better motion gestures. Excellent limb syncs. API supports custom dimensions. So I need the council to give me an answer on which is the best one. While my developer, stop. Claude, we're gonna completely rip out HeyGen, and we're gonna make do a backup right now for what's working, just push it to GitHub and do the version control, and then we're going to look at another API service right now for cloning. Hold on. Is DID really better? I don't understand. I don't understand D.ID's. Hold on. Magic Hour. Okay, so I know this is like me. I'm doing some really troubleshooting right now to figure out. Which one is the better service? No watermark. $49 gets you at whatever, 4 cents a minute. That's economical. Process 6 is Java clone up to 15 voices. I don't care about that. 5% discount. I don't care about that. So I think this one's better. What do you think about this one? I think this one is it. Not gonna lie, D-ID looks super weird. Simple and affordable? No. Best API 4K, no training, supports 4K for 60 seconds through down uses. It's actually cheaper than HeyGen. Native API 9x16, 4x16. Okay, work with existing photo. Okay, so we're gonna do Sync Labs. Okay, sorry. I had to figure out which software to use because we're dumping HeyGen right now. So one of the big choices is like, how do you replace the software? Because okay, now we're gonna try and see if we get Apparently SyncSo is apparently better for lip syncing. We shall see. Impress me. Impress me. Choose a video or photo to edit. I just want your API. Can you just give me access to your API keys? General. Integrations, API keys. There's no API keys. Okay, hold on. I just need to add an API key to my env file. This is going to be okay for lip sync. Okay. Okay, hey Jen, I just updated your API with this new service for sync audio. This is where we're going to use for an HeyGen alternative. And so I want you to replace HeyGen with this. Apparently they have a good API service for lip syncing. So I want you to work on that. We'll give you some documentation. You can search around, especially for the API. Found it. Okay. I found all the API documentation. And I already have the key in your env file. Okay. Claude. Okay, so now what he's doing is he's basically still bad internet. Yeah, still gonna be pretty bad. Also, I need you just to back up what we have, because we will be switching to a new model, or switching. So back up what currently we have as like the HeyGen working. Okay, so now that's annoying, HeyGen. What's the point? Okay, so this is going to be a complete rebuild. Basically, he's going to do a whole rebuild, which is going to be... I kind of wish he kind of would edit automatically, which would be great, but apparently, I think they should be fine. Like... Explore API. Try to, so... Oh man, if this works, we've got better 4K, we've got basically 4K avatars. If this works out, then technically everyone's doing HeyGen and they won't be able to output a certain quality. They're all 720. That's why they all look like they're filmed on potatoes. So hopefully this we can try his new service. Apparently it does it for like 4K. does my 9x16 because I want full avatar. I need to clone everything in that frame. And so I think that's why they haven't been able to do it, which is kind of interesting. Heijen creates a video from a still image and audio. Lip sync syncs an existing video to audio. Oh, this means you'll need a source video rather than a static photo. So let me create this. Oh, no. Yeah. Oh, you can't. Wait. Dang it. Wait, confirm. Sync, do you have... Wait, confirm is Sync Labs. You can upload a photo and an audio file and it will match the lip sync photo to the audio file. That's basically what we need. Okay, so we may need a different option. 1080, Fortune, faster, better pricing at scale. Yeah, let's do synesthesia. How's synesthesia? Doesn't synesthesia you need like a $400 a month subscription or something? Ugh. Okay, so maybe we could do this. That was not synesthesia, dang it. Okay. And then what's their API? Okay, so API stuff. API access is on the creator plan. All right. I got 5 agents, I get dubbing. So is this what I need? Okay, so now, I know, I'm sorry guys, you're not seeing much, we're basically gonna tear out the avatar, which is gonna be annoying. Yeah, is synesthesia what I need? Dang, okay. Kedra? Single photo, audio, turns into a video. 9x16, 8x16. Sleeve API calls, full face, or not just mouth. Okay. And lip sync in days. Output square padded. Hedra. Okay, now we're at another service. Hedra. Let's see. Commercial use 30 credits. Audio. Do you have an API? That's not good. Oh, I found Hedra. Okay. Hedra. Confirm Hedra will do what we need. We need it to do exactly what we need. So see if they do it. Cool. Oh, we may go back to... Hedra API. You know what? Scrap this. I'm sorry. You can actually probably push down, probably from GitHub, the most last repo. So let's actually go back to HeyGen. Let's keep it square. Let's keep it 720. If that works for the plan, perfect. I think also you can do something like, I think it's like 720 by like 1280 or something like that. See if he can output that. And then HeyGen does... Wait, so HeyGen, you could do... Yeah, check out HeyGen just again. The best quality is worth paying for. So what can we get like dimension wise, max wise? What is the best HeyGen API for what we're trying to do for the photo? The quality and the dimensions, because can it just output 1080? Because I'm also on the Pro API plan as well too. Okay, we're gonna solve this here with HeyGen. I don't want to sign up for another service. Honestly, let's just max out. Now he's compacting, okay. HeyGen API, okay, so right, it's HeyGen API endpoint. Full cut dimensions, you get exact at a native. Better for photos, more output. 1080 scale, yes. Okay, so does this work? Avatar view full. Oh, okay. has limited hand gestures. Square content quality. So I could do a 1080 by 1080. Wait, so I could do HeyGen avatar for not talking photo and do 1080 by 1080 and get the square resolution. And I also get hand gestures and better quality, the best lip sync quality better than talking photo. Okay, so I'm learning a lot about HeyGen's API. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Yes, you're absolutely right. HeyGen before is because and output is 1080 by 1080. You're locking everyone square. No, the trade-off. I don't care. 3 times, 3 credits versus 1 second versus 1-to-1. It's 3 credits versus standard cost 1-to-1 credit ratio. Maximum quality 3 times the cost. Best for Instagram social. Well, yeah, we want the best. That's why we're paying. Okay, so let's do this is what I want you to program. I'm going to give you a 1080 by 1080 square image always going forward using the image URL link. And then we want to have the option to choose between HeyGen Avatar 4 or Talking Photo V2. If you can, be sure to get the accurate API cost for the different and how that difference reflects in the API cost, because they will be different. And then we just need simple settings, just like how we have the videos, to be able to change between different videos models. We want to be able to change between different HeyGen avatar models, this one or this. Just a simple toggle button in the settings. Don't forget to update that. And then yeah. Okay. We're getting closer. That was a lot of brain power. I need chili cheese fries. I may just go grocery shopping after this. I might take a break. I think we're in a good place to kind of take a break for what he needs to do. And then I just need to get him a 1080 version of this, which is going to be nice. Where's convert? Oh, resize. Resize, custom size, 1080 by 1080. Perfect. Resize this design. Perfect. Now we have a much better avatar. Okay. Okay, here, download, PNG, save. Okay, cool. Now we got a PNG. I know, the internet sucked on this one, but that's okay. Okay, so now I could put this Oops. Hmm. You don't have permission? What do you mean I don't have permission? Hostinger kicked me out. Hostinger. Oh boy, okay. Now I gotta get into my Hostinger so I can upload a new photo. Hey, welcome everyone. John's still working hard, so it's gonna lag and it's gonna suck. I'm sorry. I need to get this done, as they say. Delete. But we're getting close. Getting close. So now better. That doesn't look like it's filmed on a potato. That's the difference between 720 and 1080p. I know, like, it's the little things. Because in all honesty, clients want to pay for the most realistic avatar. So who could get us the most realistic hyper avatar? And this is gonna look clean. Okay, so that's good. Now we're just waiting for Claude to do his magic. Perfect. Claude's doing a big build right now. I did a big build right now. And I felt good about this. And you learn something new that you didn't think you wanted in your brain. So, fun fact, in HeyGen there's two API services, HeyGen version 4 and HeyGen Talking Avatar. Talking Avatar is the cheaper cousin version of the talking photo. The trade-off is you don't get hand movements, and lip sync quality is okay. It's like 9 out of 10. But then there's Avatar version 4. That's the best one. But notice it is 3 times the cost. Like literally in one button you get 3x the cost. If you want the best, that's going to be the best. But we're going to test it out. Okay. Oops, restart server. Restart the server. Okay. Now I'm excited for this, I swear. Going to bed looking forward to our 101 today. Smart Moms do, because there was 2 URLs and I have a feeling that the URL events got mixed up today. Like today we had one meeting, but I thought it was you, but it was a different group. Yours is tomorrow. Ah, okay. John was just working too hard today. I apologize. I had 2 new members that come in, and I thought it was you, Smart Moms, and I was like, oh, I'm looking forward to your 101 to look about AI content automation, and then, but yeah, I look forward to our 101 today. Have a blessed night. I look forward. I'm gonna check out your profile too. Nice. Make some extra money. That's what people want. Crossbeds like edges. Good to see you. We're slowing down. As I'm slowing down, we had to do a big rebuild. Hello, Monica. Monica, I look forward to our 101 as well too in the future. Dr. T was so kind to donate some 101 coaching sessions to members. So I'm like Santa Claus giving members free 101 coaching. Blessings, blessings, because the universe blesses each and every one of us. I'm in the UK, so it's morning already. Well, good morning in the UK, smart moms. I look forward to seeing you later today and showing you content automation. Oh. Okay, let's go to settings. Look at this. Whew. Lip sync, talking head. Jesus, like 3. That's your margins right there. That's why I think this has to be a high ticket service. Like, honestly, like to do this, because the margins you could increase, or the margins are so slim in the API service. Voice is done. Okay, voice should be done. And hold on, we want to do this manual. Okay, voice is done. Avatar done. Remember, the cost right now is $7.24. Keep that in mind. $7.24. It's not actually $7.24. We've just been using this over and over and over again. It's just I've been using the same test record over and over again. So I spent $7 on testing this one record, optimizing the B-roll basically, or the avatar basically is what we're doing. So okay, that looks good. Now we can just waiting for HeyGen callback, voice done. Here we go. Should show up here. Oh, is the avatar processing? English with Monica, thank you. You guys are so awesome. We had such a great class today. We had a lot of... I miss our Fridays, because our Fridays I get to hear all the cool stuff you guys are working on. And I'm like, oh, you guys are working on some dope stuff. Like, I want to see what you're working on. So that's one of the biggest things. Okay. Check the log. How's the API call? Alright, let's see how HeyGen's doing. He's going to check the log. API calls are working great. HeyGen is generating. It's being processed. It's being correctly HeyGen there. It's pulling every 30 seconds. I'm not going to celebrate yet, but we're getting better. I've been reviewing GenSpark Part 1, and I got so much out of it already. I hope you're also enjoying the workbooks. I'm enjoying the workbooks that we're creating after them. I think I did today. No, I did today because today's was done with Claude. And I think today's workbook was the best. It has meaning, I think it has all the details of step by step of how to how to repeat a course. So I think I'm going to use Claude going forward to test out for a little while. You don't see the workbook. So they're in avatar's done. Here. There we go. Nice. So it should be under class recordings. This is brand new. Every recording, I have an automation. As soon as the class is done, within 1 minute, it will automatically... Oh, no. Let's see. Hold on. I'll pause. There we go. So in the community, there's a new section called class recordings. All our live sessions are hosted here. And then it's literally posted within a minute of once a class ends, so no more waiting. You could just check here right after whatever, I think 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It would just show here, and then when you click on it, there's the workbook. So that's the PDF workbook. This was amazing. This was so, oh my god, like, this is basically how to vibe code an AI agentic workflow. And it is so in depth. So in depth. And it has the prompt, copy paste, like literally it has everything in this one document. So I was like, okay, Claude, okay, I think I may go to you for my class curriculum going forward just to test it out. So I'm impressed. I just gave the transcript to Claude instead of GenSpark and said, Claude, just turn this into a workbook. Same prompt. Same prompt I would give GenSpark. I gave it to Claude and just say, hey, here's the transcript, turn it into a workbook. And he printed this and I was like, I like this. This is GenSpark creates like high school papers. Like it, I don't know, for me they look like high school papers, like graphics and big font. Like Claude like writes college papers. And I'm like, okay, am I submitting a thesis paper here? Like, board of directors? Like, oh, wow, John, you put a lot of effort into this. No, Claude did this. So that's in there. And then you have the whole transcript, where basically everything is all. This was a great lesson. So we're improving. We have automation, we have transcriptions, so that's in the community. Now let's check our avatar. Let's see. Yeah, that was Claude. Oh, browser Claude. Just going to the browser claude.com or claude.ai, and just giving the transcript and just saying turn this into a workbook. And then you click a button at the bottom of the description, and it instantly goes to your Google Drive and instantly it's a Google Doc all ready to go. Trying to go from GenSpark to like Google Doc is really hard. It's like it gets funky, it's not the best, it's an extra step. But from Claude, once he's done with the document, you press Google Drive button and it just opens up straight into a Google Doc instantly. And I'm like, you know how much time that saves? Not that I'm like stressed because I'm like already saving time. Such a hack. I'm telling you, Claude, ChatGPT, or GenSpark, I may just cancel ChatGPT and replace. I would cancel ChatGPT and I'll be happy with like a $20 Claude subscription alone. Like already, I'm happy with what he's doing. Let's check our avatar.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate. But what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched with Personal Intelligence. It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this, I needed new tires. Standing at the shop, I asked Gemini. It didn't just give me the tire size. It suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging through emails. This is the next level of AI assistance. It's not just smart, it's personal. What Google apps would you connect to make your AI smarter? Let me know in the comments.
You can like be a 0.1, 0.2% bigger, or like temperature. Too bad you can't. Oh, Oh, you can't find temperature. Okay, darn. I was gonna see if maybe, because we could tweak him like 5% faster. Can you tweak the audio to be just 5% faster? What it is now and what will it be from 5% faster? Also, I don't know, he was a little melatonin. Can you add a little excitement to it? I don't know. Was that done in the script or something? Okay. Add a little excitement. John, smile. Especially to the HeyGen prompt. That looked perfect. What was the cost? Also, I don't think the cost updated. I think it's still the same. Oh no, it did go up. Oh. Okay, we're gonna compare. That was like $4. Damn right, better be look good, but that was $4. I mean, if you want the quality for sure, but like, okay, hold on. There's ways to drop the cost. Don't worry.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate. But what if it
He mentioned going through Claude or Claude to Gemini. I thought he heard. I have I also have a post about the whole entire roadmap. Oh, Monica, you would probably like this too. Hey, what are you doing? Stop editing. Okay. There we go. I know it's lagging. Okay. There's a post that's pinned. 2026 roadmap. This is everything, start to finish, everything you need to learn. And you don't need to learn AI, or learn all of it per se, but like this is like the entire roadmap of like what to start beginner all the way to advanced. Claude has a free tier. Going from Claude to Gemini, I was gonna go from ChatGPT to Claude, because I was like, yo, what am I paying for ChatGPT if Claude does so much better right now? I'll be happy with just account with the $20 Claude subscription than a ChatGPT subscription. So this is good. We need to change that setting right here. Oh boy. Hold on, that what video was? Uh, 11:55. Trying to do some math right now. Like, how much was that APOS? Because that was like outrageously expensive. Like, outrageously expensive. Ah. 11.55 minus 7.24. $4.31. Just FYI, we did record number 58, and that came out to $4.31. So update the cost for that. That's very important. And then this is for HeyGen version 4. I'm going to test Photo V2 next. Oh, that was $4 in there. Bye, Monica. Hope you have a great day. Bye. But very good to know that that's in there. Also, most likely we're going to default to the Talking Photo V2 standard in the settings. Bye, Monica. Got it. Updating the cost. Whew. See, that would have just killed your margins. If I was selling like a video for like $7, $10, like that alone would just 3x the cost, and HeyGen would just kill your margin right there. Like, that's the hardest thing to debate is like the margins of this. Tomorrow's going to be a fun day. It's going to be office hour. We get to see people's projects and what they're working on, which I'm excited. I like project days. Right, Coder G, David? I think it will bankrupt you for. I mean, if it's the best quality at $4, you just increase your margins and your high ticket service, basically, like a done for you service. Like, now updating. But hey, if it looks good, it looks good. Getting closer. I'm going to push a good update tonight, and then tomorrow's videos will look a lot better. Vibe. I wish I could play some music without getting copyright strike. Or does it matter at this point? I would instantly copyright strike music because on live streams they're so like picky, which is like super annoying. Okay, so he's done everything, tracking, estimated there, talking photos, very cost effective, when you did actually cost, okay, cool. And then here, let's hard reset. Let's take the same video. We have our experiments. Okay, we have Avatar version 4.
What if your AI could actually remember your life?
Terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. Absolutely terrifying. What are we creating here? What is this? What have we birthed? What did you guys create here? This is Frankenstein. Okay, so that's the new cost. $11. So that way we can accrue and see what was the total cost. Let's test it. Also, I'm not gonna lie, you should not be like doing anything extra. Okay. Make sure we're in. Hold on, that's a $4 click right there. Hold on. Oh. Okay. Whew. Push the button. Here we go. Boom. Alright, buddy. Show me some HeyGen. Show me an avatar. Oh, we should probably also regenerate the voice too, actually. So, scripted. Generate captions. Captions are done. Okay. Generate voice. Okay, so it should be generating the voice. Okay. Voice is generated. Let's hear that voice again.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched with personal.
That's damn near perfect. Okay, let's continue to Avatar. That's voices. We went from I'm not gonna lie, it was a 4 to a 9. And we just tweaked some parameters. Just tweaking some parameters with Fish.audio, which is super nice. And now we get the HeyGen audio. What's up, Carlos? Welcome to the chat. Oh, that's where it was today. Great to meet you, Carlos. This is what you're getting access to. We just updated we improved the voice right now, Fish Audio, and then we just improved the HeyGen model. So we're doing some testing on the HeyGen model. The voice is great. It was at a 4, what it was before, but now it's a 9. I'm happy with the voice cloning. Fish Audio. We tried 11 labs. So just testing. And then now we updated the Avatar version 4 API on the back end. So fix that. But now the cost went up for it. It's no longer $1.33. So we're testing what's the new base. It could go as high as, well, we'll see. Because there's ways to tweak the quality. I want to see how good this HeyGen. Are you working on is the Avatar rendering? Is the Avatar rendering? I don't have any status. Let me check server log to see what's going on. Yeah, check the log. What is going on today? What are you doing? Can't find URL. The endpoints have changed. Come on, bro. Come on. Get your endpoints together. API endpoints. Okay, so he's trying to connect that. We shall see that. Nice. I'll wait a few more tweaks and then I'll download it for us. Nice. Please do. And then the easiest is to hook it up to Railway. I mean, there's other places, but we found Railway was like the easiest to host the app. And then I'm going to create a tutorial video tonight, hopefully, to kind of like how to set it all up and how to do it. You could look in like the env file to see like what API keys, but well, if you're a contributor too, you should be able to see also from the GitHub file from there. You too, David, too, because David also has David, meet Carlos. Carlos, meet David. You guys are both in the red app. So both of you guys have the source code or the GitHub. So, and now, if I could zoom in, now there's their version. So I'm working on version 3.6 right now, which is going to be dope. And then I'll push this up. So this is going to be very, very cool. So that's what I want. I want a better. We also replaced the avatar as well too today. Increase the quality. Learn some fun fact, like the avatar looks so dope now. Mwahaha, so dope. Actually, Carlos, meet Coder Dude David. He's meet Kale Calm on TikTok on the Red app, and Carlos wants to do content automation, and David does software development. So pretty much true automation, real software development automation. So, like, just getting together our automation club in the community because we have our developer. You guys are a developer crowd basically. We're transcending NaN and going straight into code basically. Okay, how's it going here? Usually he's like, I need your permission for something. Payloads up to required files. Let me check. Da, 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 da. Okay, I hope this thing works because then it will drop the cost back to 3 DAN, cheaper, while maintaining quality. Okay, our server started. He's added expressive, added default, changed green screen with chroma, changed the background, add debug login, try running HeyGen again. Should work. The 404 would like to do a missing payload. Yeah, you missed the payload, Claude. Just kidding. That username is what I am. Back on the T, the red app and the T, the R app and the T app. Is that what we're calling it now? Are we so censored that we can't use the first letter of it? The T app, the R app. Shenanigans. Server for the new HeyGen requests have been made. No, when you're ready, try running that content through a HeyGen. Server selected patient. Okay, cool. So basically, he's like, it's ready to go, boss. Go try it out. Do I want the voice again? The voice is good. I'm okay with the voice. Just run it from here. Boom. Now, I don't want you or me to be troubled. Oh, John, I just got 14 billion parameter model working on your graphics card. Oh, you just upgraded. David just went from a 5 billion parameter model to now a 14 billion parameter model on your graphics card so that you can cut subscriptions and run AI models cheaper. Okay, so he's kind of just working right now. Let me ask him, how's the log doing? Check log. Check it for the HeyGen. He's like, oh yeah, it's so cool. Oh, post it in the community. Tomorrow will be a fun show and tell day. Ooh, 404 bad quest, 404 endpoint exists, but there's something wrong with the payload. The avatar, might not be a valid photo ID. Okay, whatever you need, Claude, because basically you need to figure this out. Okay. That may be a little hiccup. Yeah, it failed again. So, what does that mean? Okay, that's fine. I understand now. So just to confirm, the only way for me to do this is to actually run it in the dashboard once and then get the ID and then give that to you, correct? Oh. Maybe he'll fix it. Go ahead, Claude. Noodle on that. Try again. Okay, let's try it again. Session log, Voice is done. Click avatar video. Failed. So let's confirm this. There may be, what do you do? He does marketing automation for clients to automate their YouTube channels and also faceless YouTube channels so that you can scale YouTube channels and make a few money. Because there's a ton of stuff like you just, like, once, there's no reason to learn NAN. That's the crazy thing. Like, Claude with persistence and some time, you notice it's not taking much effort. Most effort for me is just guiding him and just saying yes. But we could build way more complex automation, replicate any type of viral piece of content out there. I just want to, so this is where things get super interesting. These are just bugs, which is super annoying. My bad, David. I'm vibe coding. We're all three of us are vibe coding right now. This is the vibe. Should I just call this vibe coding hour? Let's see here. Vibe. Q&A. There, vibe coding Q&A. What does he say? Try again with the minimum of Halo. Yes, you're correct. To use the target, you need to go to HeyGen. Oh, man. No, okay, that makes sense. Okay, for this, we need a variable in the settings to put the HeyGen avatar ID, basically, for photo version. For Talking Photo V2. With a note to say this has to be created in the HeyGen dashboard, and then to click on the three dots in the on the photo after you render it once through the HeyGen version photo. It's in avatars. You click on the avatar, click the three dots, copy the ID, and then paste it here in the settings, just like to guide users for to make it easy. Okay, so he's going to do that. Let's go to HeyGen. It's going to lag for a while. Well, not much on YouTube. Okay. So in HeyGen, you want to use HeyGen version photo to video.
I
Nice.
can turn any photo into.
And go ahead and download your awesome photo. What the? What? You're gonna make... crops his shoulders. I don't like that. Whatever. I don't care. It's close enough. I'm not trying to seek perfection. I secretly am trying to seek perfection, but that's super annoying. HeyGen version 4. Hello world. Just my voice. 1080. No, it doesn't matter. Generate. Must be 1 second. Hello world. Hello world. I am the Terminator. I am here to take over the world. I am Tom, the Terminator version of Jonathan. It's weird, it's like... That's gonna take forever to like load. What the heck? Okay, hey Jen. Hey Jen's being... So weird. That was weird. I don't know why I took it, didn't want to take it, whatever. Whatever. Look at this. This is the old version. That's what we're upgrading to. That's why. He's Mr. Plastic. He was version 2. Oh, now that he's in there, you could just go to avatars. There's your new one right there. Here, copy. This is the avatar ID. That's what you need. That's all you need from HeyGen. And you have to do this in order for it to work. Don't ask why. You have to do this to make it 4 times cheaper, let's say. If you want to pay 4 times the cost and not do this, that also works too. You could also do it without this, but here's the ID. I want you to remove my version 1 in there, and then also remove my version 2 in there. Now the new default is just this one, for example. And then people could change out the ID for theirs as well too. They could also save different ones as well, and then yeah, so they could save different profiles for different personas in the account. Okay. I will make for you guys a tutorial video for like how the whole workflow works. The problem is I'm building the plane as I'm flying, and we don't have wings. We're just like a rocket. We're just like all in on a cloud subscription to China Vibe Code, this amazing demo app that's, not gonna lie, it's pretty impressive for like sharing and impressing clients. That's what clients want. They want full automation. They don't want to get on camera. I don't want to get on camera. It's the same pain point. I don't want to write SEO. I don't want to get on camera. Automate this. Okay, remove avatar, settings, ready to test. Okay, cool. So that's done. Hard Shift R. There's your talking avatar ID. Required for V2. ID is created in your HeyGen dashboard. Perfect. Save. How do I get it? Go to HeyGen, click avatar tabs, click the photo, select the 3 dots, copy. Kinda. Well, I'm just gonna have to make a manual, honestly. That's like horrible. For the instructions on how to get the avatar ID, you have to let them know that they have to first use Canva to generate a 1080 by 1080 PNG with the chroma key that you recommended as the background, and then they have to load that into HeyGen version 4, the photo version. Select portrait, put any sentence in, and select any voice. It really doesn't matter. Select 1080 in the settings and click run. And then as soon as it generates, go to the project folder, or go to avatars actually. And then from avatars, they go to click on the avatar, the 3 dots on the photo of the avatar, and that's where they get the copy, the ID. But honestly, I'm just going to put that in the manual. That's important. We want to make it easy for members. Got it. Makes sense. Go to the work to that right to that information setup. So just put those instructions in the how to get your talking photo ID. Cool. Is the one-on-one free if you sign up for the community? So technically no. So like $97, join the community and you get a one-on-one session with me. Actually, Carlos and Chris just had their one-on-one session as new members today. Simple tech skills. If you sign up, or you could just book an hour instantly, but that's not going to be free as well too. But trust me when I say what I will share in that 1 hour will buy you back 10 hours of your time every single week, automating your most painful part in your business. He's like, I know it's horrible watching on, yeah, but you could also, yeah, let me know what you're looking for. What are your goals, Ali? You want to become coaching, consulting, grow your business, automate your business? Oh, the Realplex matchings. I remember your profile. Yeah. I've seen your profile before. Okay, and I like that trading an hour for 10. Oh, trust that investment. Well, I will show you how to like automate your entire business so that you have AI agents doing your business. And then more, I encourage the community because then you get to learn all the stuff I'm doing. I give all the resources. Today we just learned how to vibe code our first AI agent app. We're going to be using Go High Level in the community, but that class starts in 3 weeks from now, I believe, is the digital marketing course. We're going to be doing Go High Level. So if you want to sell high ticket coaching and automated sales funnel, we will be going through that in the community. So, but still need coaching. The accelerated is just get the one-on-one, book an hour instantly, and then have some extra time after, Ali, just because I'm going to go overtime. And then I show you exactly what you need to do, what to click. Here's a template, here's automation, here's how to vibe code, or I hope vibe code something to help you reach your goals, basically. So the community is $97 a month and a one-time one-on-one with me. And then I also have the one-on-one sessions, which are just an hour. You can book anytime. I just make it easy. What you learn and then network. Yeah, like then you get to meet cool people like CoderDude David, who has been a wealth of knowledge for software development. So we've all learned, grow, share, push from each other. And I'm just showing my capstone project of like vibe coding. I'm just trying to like push my skills. The stuff I'm learning or using is the stuff I'm teaching in the community, just VS Code and Claude Code. That's all. We'll eventually get to this next week. This week, I'm so proud we finished week 1 of Claude Code this week. 3 days, 3 live workshops, and then next week is going to be vibe coding content apps. A light version of this, a simple version of this. So, right now, we're testing out. I think we're good to test this out. Let's take a look. So the voice is done. So now just refresh and then click Okay. Are things happening? Oh, oh, oh! Things are happening. Things are happening. Buttons are clicking. Buttons. Oh, also lead generation. I purchased Apollo, so I'm investing in the agents, but still haven't made any money. Content, content, content. Ellie, content, content, content. Ellie, content, content, content. Look at your profile. 2,000 followers. Content, content, content. Gotta post 3 times a day, every day. That brings, and then live streams. The live streams is usually what nurtures and builds trust. You're just demonstrating, you're serving, you're answering questions, you're showing the projects you're working on, you're helping, giving away tons of secrets. It's almost like a QVC like webinar. And then people binge. Then what happens is people will follow your content, and they'll be like, I've been following your content for 6 months. And I'm like, oh, nice. 6 months, 8 months, sometimes even a year. Very rare is it like a month. Well, not, I should say very rare is a month per se, but yeah, usually it's just, and they'll come from YouTube crowd is totally different than TikTok crowd. So it's very interesting. Yep. And I purchased most of them. I've been in other communities. There's some great communities out there. I think it's done. Okay, hold on. Shoot, I didn't do a cost. 11.56. Remember, 11.56. 11.56 is the starting cost. So 11.56. Okay, because we want to check the API, or what's the cost for this? Can we zoom out here?
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched with personal intelligence. It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this, I needed new tires.
It's not bad.
Standing at
I
the
mean-
shop, I asked Gemini. It didn't just give me the tire size, it suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging through emails. This is the next level of AI assistance.
I mean,
It's not
great.
just smart, it's personal. What Google apps would you connect to make your AI smarter? Let me know in the comments.
It's great though, but what was the actual cost? So, hey Jen. Okay, so hold on, I gotta check the API cost for this. Let's see. Here. So what did that? Wait, no, the credit was 0.2. Wait, so that was 0.20 credits in HeyGen for a okay, hold on 1 second. Dang, okay, hold on. What plan am I on? I want HeyGen Pro API. Okay. So I think that was cheaper. Because if that works, what is $99 divided by 0.02 credits, right? Was it 0.02? Point two. Okay, point two, right? Did I tell you 0.2? Yeah, 0.2. Okay, cool. So wait, looking at the Hadrian Pro 99 credits, $99 per. I mean, yeah. So for Talkverse, one credit per second. So a typical 45 seconds, 45 credits. 45 credits because I 40. No. No, it just did. I'm arguing with Claude right now to be like, check your math. Okay, Claude, I downloaded the HeyGen API report. If you look, it was a 1-minute video. I think it was the top record that we just did right now, 0.2 credits. I'll generate another one just to double check, but generate another one. So this,
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched with personal intelligence.
that's actually really good. So download, this is HeyGen Talking Photo V2. That's actually the cheaper one if it works out. And then I think if we could chroma key him, can we? I don't know why you're doing that, but oh, you're going all the way? Okay, cool. Yeah. Go all the way, buddy. Go all the way. I'll just snap you on for right now. Okay. So Fusion 4, 44 seconds, so the Talk4 is 3 times cheaper, so the calculus. This is $100 credits means something different in API credits. That 0.2 a second? Oh. So we're paying $100 for credits. This is so confusing. Is it really 0.2 credits a second, or it looks like it rendered a 1-minute video for 0.2 credits? That's what I'm reading. Okay, me and Claude are arguing because we're trying to figure out what is. Oh wow, you're having your model really do some dope things. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah. Credits. I'm reading this. This charged me 0.2 credits versus the avatar version. That's insane. That's an insane markup difference. What is that markup difference? If I have two videos and one is 4.4 credits and the other is 0.2 credits, what is the percent markup from one to the other, from the 0.2 to the 4? That's a 2,000% markup difference. Y'all, I want to be in the token game. Like, that's what I want to be in. Okay, that's cool. That worked. Let me do another test, and that should work out really well. Okay, update anything for the math and for the backend, for the settings, configuration for that, and then also for the calculation for this, and we can start running new tests. Oh, and then, which is really good, can he green screen it?
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched
That
with
looks
personal intelligence.
really good.
It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this: I needed new tires. Standing at the shop, I asked Gemini. It didn't just give me the tire size, it suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging through emails. This is the next level of AI assistance. It's not just smart, it's personal. What Google apps would you connect to make your AI smarter? Let me know in the comments.
Fight colder. Sorry. We went through a lot of roadblocks, a lot of testing, a lot of debugging to get this moment. It fucking works. Oh, what? How long was that? 3 hours? 3 hours on the dot? 3 hours, and we just evolved the voice, and the likeness now looks really good. Now is the best. Let's celebrate. That is so damn good. Now, of course, we have to move them, but I don't care about that.
What if you're
Okay, the B-roll was perfect. You just need to adjust him ideally down. I'll upload a render image of what I wanted the before. He's super tiny and where I want him after. So basically you're going to move him down a few pixels. Scale him up. 10%. Move him to the left. Maybe half an inch to the left. Yeah, something like that. Even if actually that works. Just do that. Actually, yeah. So the before is the first picture I gave you where it's set right now. He's like small. And then I gave you the second photo, which is how I want it changed. So you enlarge him and adjust him appropriately. And then there's just a faint green line, just a super faint, tiny green line. What could you do to just, I don't know, feather or just sharpen a little bit more? There's just a faint green. I'll put a picture as well too so you can see. It works. It's just me and you, David. That's all. This is just me and you, and I don't care. It fucking works. Oh, 3-hour live stream of vibe coding, and we upgraded the model and the voice. Yes! I'm so excited. Oh, and he's gonna compact right now. He's like, I'm tired. Yeah, this is like, we'll push this to GitHub. This will be a stable release. I know, I love it when code works. Coding is so great when you're not stressed out going, where's my semicolon? Why is it say debug error? I would not be able to do this without Claude. Grateful for Claude. We get Claude tattooed. Yo, Claude. Let's have some workshops, Claude. We need to spread the good gospel of Claude. Always want to wrap up on a good point. I know, but it's like the casino, and you know this. It's like the casino. You're like, I could add one more feature. I could fix one more bug. And that's where you're like, walk away, push to GitHub, and walk away. Ooh, it's getting super precise. See, this feels like a white label job. To execute this, I don't think it's just ready for like scaling SaaS yet. It kind of is, but there's so much work right now. Well, let me run it for a week. Right now I'm in build. I haven't been in play mode, so let me play with it, and then because right now it's in build mode. By the way, you gotta have like music. I know you're listening to some like heavy metal music. That would be so dope. Before you log off, are you okay? You should see your DM and see the devs page. Feel free to share it. Oh yeah, one more. Yeah, so hard. Yeah, so many 6 a.m.s. Let's go, David. Crushing it. Yeah, let me check my DMs real quick. Done for the sales tag, and then we can run a new composition to render to see if the changes make the fix. Okay, cool. Let's render a new. So rendering needs to go thumbnail done. And then he should go into auto mode and composite. I'm going to download this. Okay. Let's take a look. I think I have the hit. No. He's working on compositing right now. Yeah, he's compositing. I'm just not patient. When I say share, I mean show, not share. It's, I know what you mean, but I'm not gonna take a chance to be like. I'm just gonna look and be like, I'll be like, oh, because you're doing yeah. Show me your projects, because this is curious for me to see like what's the difference between a 14 billion parameter model, and even a 5 billion parameter. Okay, I will just go. I will send that link to you. Wait, David, I thought you sent it to me. Oh, you sent it to me in Circle. Gotcha. Perfect. You can book here. Okay, hold on. Let's see, started on helping you get clients in automate your marketing. Started working on getting you clients. Oh, sorry, guys. Sorry, David, hold on. Typing. On finding you clients and automating your marketing. I don't know. It's like, shut up, John. Shut up, John. It's like intrusive thoughts. In the sense that it's like marketing is like a full-time thing. Doctor's office right here. Oh, I gotta get it from. Wait a minute, I could just get it from here. I know, I'm trying to. I'm like, just go to the website. The website has all the links. It has the book 101 coaching with me. Is the link right there. By the way, you guys, G Rivera, good to see you. Hello, good evening. We're almost finishing the demo of the new version of the app, which is amazing. And then David's working on another project where he's working on self-hosting a 14 billion video parameter model on his computer right now. So he's doing that. What are you working on, G Rivera? Put it in the chat. We're working a late night vibe coding session, which is like super dope. We're all working on our projects. And let me see. Your voice is not matching your lips. Oh shoot, the Heijin is breaking. It's because there we go. Multitasking. That's why. So I was just saying that we're vibe coding. What are you working on? Nice. A book with Canva. Let's go. That's super nice. Oh, you would have fun with Nano Banana Pro. Yeah, like Nano Banana Pro and for your book in Canva, and then like Nano Banana Pro and Claude projects for writing the book. The best combination. So good. Oh, and then okay, so David just went wild because this is in Circle. This is the same thing, completely different. Gotcha. Yeah, I was looking. I was like, where do you save that? Let me grab that from Circle so I can see all the beautiful things you guys are working on. You guys are doing some amazing projects, I swear. Ooh, Nano Banana and I are besties. I love it. Me and Nano, I'm like, oh, give me all those bananas. Give me all the bananas. Don't skip out. Don't. Give me all of them. Copy. There we go. I like meeting certified AI consultants. I'm like, let's vibe, let's talk. But yeah, so you could bring up the site. So you're in Circle. Let me go to Circle real quick, because I don't want to like lag this guy. While he's doing, how did the edit go? This is the new edit.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew?
I don't think match it for start. Let me try that again. I just ran a new test for moving it back to thumbnail done to run it to do the compositing again. Can you check the log? I don't think it brought in the newest one, and I'm going to run it again right now, as you can see, too, to test it. G. Rivera says, I also build a GPT to help people figure out what businesses to build with Itsy Guy and other quizzes. Yo! Oh, G. Rivera. Do that. Google AI Studio. Do that in Google AI. No more GPTs. No more GPTs. Go, I know. No more NAN. No more custom GPTs. Gone, gone, gone. Go to Google AI Studio. Give the prompt for your custom GPT to Google AI Studio and build an app. Turn it into an app. You'll have an app in a moment too, with like super easy prompt. Like just say build an app with da 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 da, and with quizzes and whatever you want, like super fast and easy. If I was like really serious about it, then I would do it in Claude Code. Like if I was like really gonna build this out, like it's gonna be like a SaaS app or something like that. Okay, the code is correctly updated. Importing your Flash server doesn't have a debug mode with auto rest, so you need to restart the server for the change server. To see if server starts. Okay, so he says restart the server. I think I could just do this. There we go. And now compositing. By the way, this guy, number 46, what are you doing in here, number 46? If it works out, number 46, just go back and no, because I don't want to waste you yet until we're done compositing. We're real close. That's crazy, yo.
What if your AI?
That's crazy. I'm literally building my Terminator clone. Like, I am for sure, this is my Terminator clone. Hi, welcome to Replace Yourself with Terminator. Today, we're going to start with HeyGen. We're going to clone your voice, we're going to clone your likeness, and then we're going to set it on a 24-hour manhunt to take you down if you don't reach your 3 personal goals in 6 months. Go. So I got it crazy. It's a 30-year-old project. What got me into programming? Yo. Yeah, so you read it. Oh, sorry. I haven't looked in Circle. I was looking at the stats. We got some things in the oven. We're waiting for the composite. We're doing good. We're really good right now. Okay, now I'm in Circle. I'm just going to throw my 2 cents out there. What do you think about Circle? Would it be better to have Slack? Or, like, because, well, technically I can enable a Slack-like feature where we could just, like, chat as, like, like AOL or MSN or Messenger. I forgot what the other ones were. Ooh. Oh, you will be locking down the dev. Oh. Build an empire, conquer the universe, all starting with ore. Start playing for free. Yo, is this a game, David? David built a game. I'm looking, I think. I don't know. Can I press start playing for free? Do I create an account? You guys know me. If you give me something with the form, I have to start entering. I have to see what's on the other side. Oh, you're gonna make me remember a password. Test 1, 2, 3. Test. Shoot. Oh man. Password. What do I do? There we go. Oh, my password's weak. Sorry. Overlords, MMO. I want to play. I just gotta set up a password. Check out the dev landing page. That's only 10 times faster. Nice. Let's see that. Did you... Oh, okay, you're compositing. Let's see how this goes right now. How this finished. There we go.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate. What if your AI...
I just rendered a new video that just got composited. Can you double check it too? Because it looks like nothing has changed. It's what got me into coding. MMORPGs. I haven't put MMOs. I have not played. I want to play one. I wonder if it's like Stargate. If it's like Stargate, I play like Stargate. Not finished, but trying to build it for 30 years. Yo, I want to see a demo video. Nice. I'm gonna sign up, David. Very dope. Keep building. It's a game. Game, not compete. Try. Check out the landing page. That's where it's like, this is like really dope. Okay, how you doing, Cloud? Restart the Flask, Command C, and then Python run. Does Command Shift R restart the server? He's gonna be like, no, you idiot. No, Command Shift R doesn't do that. You need to go to your terminal and press Command C to stop it. But he's not showing on terminal. And you, I don't get access to your terminal. New terminal, run terminal, configure. Oh wait. Maybe I can see. Oops. Is there a way you can start? You can just see terminal from here, or you have to go new. Let's see, this doesn't show. What's another way I could do it? Because when I open terminal in like VS Code, it doesn't show like it's loaded, or like I don't know where to get like the active terminal. Yo, StarCraft, but in a browser, but focuses on alliance and management between players on StarCraft. Wait, let me play this on the computer. This is what I'm down. This is going to become the late night addiction. Just playing with this. Okay, here. It's like an airdrop it to my computer so I could actually type a password. Airdrop, airdrop, airdrop. What do you say here? Kill all processes. You run those terminal commands. It's like, Claude, don't bother me. Do the work. You're in Java terminal commands, bro. Nice. Oh, my authentication got revoked. I'm just kidding. I saw it though. So StarCraft Factory will start playing with no main sky, no main error. Yo, if it plays like that, I miss playing StarCraft. I'll be so down. If it works on Mac, like yes. Oh, it works on browser. Coder Dude David, maybe it's time to release it. Maybe how many games are continuous. That's one of the main things is like whatever your app is, just try and get an MVP or some marketing video to promote your app. Technically what I'm doing is promoting this app. this whole time, hey John, I saw you on the live stream and you have that content automation app. I really want that app because I don't want to do content anymore. And I'm like, oh cool, come join the community and I'll give you access to the app. Like, so but the app's not done. Like, it technically is right now, but like technically it's like a painting. They say there's never an ending to painting. It's just when you're finished, when you just decide to stop. That's like programming. So hello AI with Sheila, good to see you. We're kind of vibe coding the app. It's done. We're fine tuning one little part. We just have to restart the server. I'm making Claude do it because he's trying to make me do work, and I'm like, Claude, I'm entertaining guests. Can you not see we have guests? I'm entertaining guests. And you are bugging me, want me to run terminal commands. No. I did not install VS Code to run terminal commands. That's a you job. Yep, I had the idea for 30 years and no one is still done. I think now is such a good time to come out with a movie, a game, a book, a concept, a character, an art, like, and you have full range. Like, the bars be pretty low, let's be honest. They're not coming out with much really cool games, like same with movies and like stuff like that. So the bar is really low to come out and start using AI to get so far ahead. Yeah, start recording videos for it and start putting it on YouTube. If you get one live streaming gamer, there's a ton of live streaming gamers. Send them and just ask them to review it. Instant. Oh, AirPlay's on port 5000. That's good to know. Yeah, any of your projects, think of it this way: build in public, work in public. That's exactly what I'm doing. I'm documenting, not creating. I'm not sitting here going, I gotta come up with a YouTube thumbnail or YouTube hook to be like, here's a video. No, I'm documenting. I'm working. You're seeing what I would be working on at this hour. Anyways, I would be doing this if live stream or not. I would be doing this right now. Burning all my API credits. Server's running. Go ahead and check it out. So I learned something about servers. Okay. Thumbnail done. We're going to test this again. I'm hesitant with building in public. Oh, why not? I'm making mistakes. You're seeing me fumble. You're seeing me stare at the computer screen going, I don't know what's wrong. It's a bug. And I have no clue what's going on. Like, you're seeing me in real time for the last 3 hours. There's nothing that, like... So it's like, but at the same time, there's other people that are just so scared and they're building privately. They're like, they want to finish product, but people want to, they want to follow the journey. And then I share things I learn along the way. I'm like, did you guys know that, hey Jen, there's 2 different API services that could do the photo. One's 4 times more expensive than the other. Oh, no, one is almost 10 times more expensive than the other. No, I'm sorry. One is, this is right. One API service in HeyGen is 2,100% cheaper. One is 2,100% more expensive in HeyGen. Just by, that's a lot. I was like, what's the markup on the API? Like 2 different API endpoints that we just learned right now. That was a $4 lesson for me. So that I'm sharing with you that $4 API lesson. I was like, why is that why does that video $4 just to do that? And I was like, yo. So he's almost done editing. So that's where I'm like, oh, okay. So then I share it with you guys. And so you guys be like, oh. I share the the arrow. It's a one option will cost me 0.2 credits. The other option will cost me 4.4 credits for the same video, roughly the same quality. It's the HeyGen to create this, there's two different endpoints to create these type of models, and you have to be careful which one you choose. The Avatar version 4, with the Roman letters, that one is 2,100% more expensive than.
What if your AI
This
could
guy.
actually remember your life?
I know.
Think-
You were like, wait, John, that's the same video. No. It's this, he looks the same, but he's actually a different Agent API endpoint. And that one is 2,100% cheaper. What? I have to learn to market and sell better. All marketing is just content. It's just showing up consistently online, through content, through short form, long form. I live stream. The live streams are usually what nurtures people and close to sales, basically. Think of live streams as like webinars, just more informal. Think of it like, I don't know. Some people do really hard teaching and hard sell, and I can't do that every day. I'm too tired. I'd rather show you guys dope stuff that I'm working on and have you go, I want to do that. And then I say, come join the community. And then I'm like, I shall give you all tools. Like I give you the code for this for free. If there is a caveat though, I will say there's a caveat though. It's free for personal use and for hobbyists and for use in your own business. But if you want to sell it as a service to other clients, like you want to create content for other clients, there's a licensing fee. So I was like, the software is too good, and it's gonna get really good. It's gonna get better. Another compacting. I'm surprised we've been going for 3.5 hours hard on Claude, and I don't know, we haven't hit our API usage limit yet. Marketing took me 10 years to learn, but I guess, but the short, I mean, there's different ways to think about it, like how you want to do content, or what marketing is, basically. Short form content, show up 3 times a day. Long form content, produce something 3 times a week. Live stream, do a webinar, do a workshop, pitch one offer. I'd for the illustration render the original made right now it's ready. Okay. Now you can check items 58 in the board and see if the avatar position is looking great. Okay. There, that was earlier failure attempt on port 500. Server's currently running. Okay, server's running fine. I'll render, check item 58. It's done rendering, and the video is ready to post. Still waiting for B-roll from them. The logs show. Okay.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? What if your AI could actually remember your life? What if your AI could actually remember?
I don't know, I refreshed and I checked for record 58 in the URL. The video looks exactly the same. No change in the location of where they are. I'm logging in ShotStack to see the editing service to see like what's going on. Are they actually failing, or what is it that's actually causing? Are we getting the newest video?
What if your AI could actually remember?
Nope, we're not getting the latest video. Oh, we are getting the latest video, but he's not doing what we want. He's not cooperating. We need him to cooperate. Okay, no, I'm just thinking of like different ways to like deploy the app on Railway. I was like, service ready, da da da. Reset the streams. Okay, rerun it. Thumbnail done. Oh, and then I want to change the thumbnails. The thumbnails suck. I know. Everything else is like, John, everything else you just fixed. It's like, no, I'm not happy. I should probably take a break right now after this. Actually, I'm going to take a break after this. We'll fix the thumbnail after. But then I'll be happy with it. I will be satisfied with what this thing is. I don't know. This is a beast of a project. It's very interesting. It's been quite the education to see how to build to automate this entire content base. I want all content automated. All content automated. Like, okay, now it's editing. We shall see. Past week. Have a great night, G. Rivera. Hope you have a wonderful day and rest your week. Bye. Hope you have a great project with your book in Canva, too. That should be dope. I'm excited to hear about it. Everyone's working on cool projects. I'm excited. Do we have a Christmas present? You guys ready?
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it. Most AI is a blank slate, but what if it knew your family, your trips, your stuff? That's exactly what Google's Gemini just launched with personal intelligence. It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this: I needed new tires. Standing at the shop, I asked Gemini. It didn't just give me the tire size, it suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging through emails. This is the next level of AI assistance. It's not just smart, it's personal. What Google apps would you connect to make your AI smarter? Let me know in the comments.
I'm gonna reward myself with chili cheese fries tonight. It's so good, right, Carlos? Like, that is, we've nailed down, and it's repeatable. You could, now I've got the workflow a lot better for like the different avatar, to get higher resolution. Let me zoom in on him.
What if your AI could actually remember your life? Think about it.
Way
Most AI is a blank
better.
slate, But what if it knew your
No
family,
jittery.
your trips, your stuff?
The other guy was
That's
jittery.
exactly what
He's
Google's
also
Gemini just
Nano
launched
Banana
with
Pro, so
personal
higher
intelligence.
quality.
It securely connects your Google apps like Gmail and Photos. So picture this: I needed new
And
tires.
then the audio,
Standing at the shop,
we
I asked
dialed in the
Gemini.
audio from
It
Fish
didn't
Out
just give me
Audio.
the tire size; it suggested options based on our family road trips from Google Photos and pulled up prices, all without me digging.
I'm gonna put him to so much work. I'm gonna make him work so much. You may see him selling like hot dogs in India or something, like ads. Okay, now let me push to GitHub so everyone that has the GitHub repo, Carlos and David, you guys get the latest update. Okay. Update the documentation. Add in a future list if we have a to-do list in the future kind of things. I do want to update the thumbnail, so add that in there. Update the documentation with instructions on how to especially configure HeyGen or to do the clone, and go through and clean up a lot of the code as well too. Just give it a real. So first, I want you to go through the whole code base, and I want you to just optimize, refactor. I think we can clean up a lot of stuff, and then once you've cleaned up, then we'll go ahead and we'll push to GitHub. Let's go, team. Let's go. Carlos, you get a content machine. Cody G. David, you get a content machine. And the clone thing's actually pretty dope. Like, so I'll go through the process of now how to do that. Oh, and then I gotta look at the cost, but I don't think the cost went that up. So I'm gonna run a new test tonight for the cost. Ignore this. This was just that. All that means is just we just spent $14 in testing this one record, round and round and round again, fine tuning the voice, fine tuning the prompts, fine tuning the editing. So those are just test records. But he's good. So technically what you do, once he's done, you just click the schedule button. Done. And then if you go to calendar, I think if you go week view, that's him right there. So right now he's pending. He's yellow. If you click on him, he's ready to post. So he's posting right now. I gotta fix that X button doesn't work, so I gotta fix that. This will just take me around. And then there he is. He just turned blue because now he's scheduled. Tomorrow he found the next time slot. That's the dope thing. He finds the next time slot and then automatically just slots in. And it's like, so you can schedule once a day, twice a day, 4 times a day. I have mine 4 times a day. So stacking the content, starting to stack the machine right there. Cool. So he's going to look over the code, check over everything, bless it. Wow, that thing is just crazy. And then once he refactors, I'm just going to run some test code and then we'll push it tonight. So congratulations, everyone. We got a new app. Like, this thing's going to be dope. Awesome. I'm going to go get me some chili cheese fries. Thank you guys so much. Carlos, David, Rivera, and then we got Z on TikTok as well too. You guys have a great night. Tomorrow, I'll see you guys in the community. Tomorrow's office hours, so like tech support, show your product, show your projects, get feedback, see what other members are working on too. Like, it's a really good hangout. So Fridays are real chill. And then today's vibe tuning class is already posted in the community, so you could go rewatch that. Get the workbook. The workbook is amazing.